Chief Minister N. Biren vows to uproot all terrorists who are carrying out attacks on innocent people in Manipur. Three civilians and one commando personnel lost their lives in attack by Kuki militants at Sugnu Sero area. Kuki militants killed 3 civilians, injuring 6 others militants who also burned over 20 houses in Chandonpokpi under Kumbi constituency in Bishnupur district. Three commando personnel and 1 woman sustained injuries as armed Sioux Kuki militants opened fire in Kakching district, Sugnu and Yangang-Pokpi area, Imphal East district. Heavy gunfight take place between Kuki militants and state forces at places in Kangchup foothills. Kuki miscreants torched more than 50 houses belonging to Maitai community in More Ward number 8. Suspected Kuki militants burned down 2 houses and a picnic spot in Awang Sekmai, Imphal West district. Irate mob storms the residence of Uripok MLA KH Raghumani in Uripok Sorbontinge Laikai, Imphal. 2 individuals received bullet injuries. And kay Sampong MLA Nishikant Sapam says Manipur Legislative Assembly initiate actions against 10 Kuki MLAs who are demanding separate administrations.